Rishs International School Arcot successfully conducted the scholarship examination with great enthusiasm and participation. The event witnessed an overwhelming response from students who eagerly stepped forward to showcase their talents, knowledge, and academic potential. The examination was designed to identify and encourage young achievers by providing them with a platform to demonstrate their intellectual abilities and competitive spirit. Students participated with high levels of confidence, discipline, and determination, reflecting their strong foundation and commitment towards learning. The scholarship exam not only evaluated academic excellence, but also highlighted the students' analytical thinking, problem-solving skills, and overall aptitude. It was truly inspiring to see young minds actively engaging in the process and striving to achieve their best. The smooth and successful conduct of the examination was made possible through the dedicated efforts of our management, committed teachers, and supportive parents. Their continuous encouragement and guidance played a vital role in making the event meaningful and impactful. At Rishs International School Arcot, we believe in nurturing talent and creating opportunities that empower students to excel in both academics and life. This scholarship exam stands as yet another milestone in our journey of fostering excellence and shaping future leaders.
Join us at Rishs International School, Vaipur, Arcot for a vibrant experience.